Welcome viewers, I am Dr. Rajpal. Welcome to TEC, that is Transform and Impart Through Communication. So in this video we are going to continue with the topic that we have undertaken for discussion, that is article. So previous two videos have been uploaded from TEC and both the videos are about article. So in the first video, article part 1, we did talk about uses of definite article the and omissions of article definite article the. So I hope you must have liked that video. The second video was on indefinite article a and n, that was a bit smaller than the previous one. So in this video, article part 3, I am going to continue with the same topic, and this is the concluding video on the topic, that is article. So interestingly, we started a discussion with the definite article the, and in this video as well we are going to talk about use of definite article the in the reference to the parts of human body. So it is a grammatical concern of the language learners that whether we use definite article the before the parts of the body or not. So in this regard, there are basically three rules that govern or that determine whether the part of body will take definite article the before it or not. So only 3 points will help you to deal with this challenge or this aspect of English grammar, particularly in the topic of article. Dear language learners, 3 aspect हैं इसके कि क्या हम किसी ह्यूमन पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी से पहले डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दा का इस्तेमाल करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं। पहली चीज़ डिटरमिन होती है कि अगर पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी जनरल सेंस में यूज हुआ है तो उससे पहले अपन डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दा का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। We use definite article the if the part of the body is referred in general sense. For example, eyes are the most delicate part of human body, right? So here eyes is referred in the general sense, therefore it will take definite article the before it, and once we use the, so a would be small, I would be small. The eyes are the most delicate part of the human body. So it is not that your eyes are most delicate and mine are not. This is the general reference that the eyes of all of us are delicate. So it is in the general sense. So you can think of other examples also, like head is the head is the topmost part of human beings. It is not that the head of someone are below the knees. So it is in the general sense. Then the question comes of possessive adjective. So possessive adjective is, what is possessive adjective? Possessive adjectives are my, are, his, him, not him, his, her, their. So these are the possessive adjectives. They are used before the pronouns, basically adjectives. For example, he caught me by my ear. So this ear is a part of body, and before it possessive adjective my is used, therefore it will not take definite article the. Definite article the will not be used in case of possessive adjectives. The third point is, if the part of human body is referred इन कनेक्शन टू अ डिजीज़, अगर हम किसी पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी को डिजीज़ के संदर्भ में उसका रेफरेंस दे रहे हैं तो उससे पहले डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द आएगा. लाइक सी वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम द breast cancer. So the breast is the part of human body and the reference is to the disease, therefore it will take definite article the before the here. Similarly we can think of other examples of the same type. For example, that Rohan has been suffering from the infection of the throat, or Rohan has been suffering from the throat infection. So infection of throat, that will take definite article the. So these are the primarily three rules which determine whether we use definite article the before the parts of human body. Let me recapitulate in Hindi for you. इस वीडियो का जो कंक्लूजन है वो इस बात को लेके है कि क्या हम ह्यूमन पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी से पहले डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द लगाते हैं या नहीं लगाते हैं. तो उसके लिए तीन बातें हैं. अगर जनरल सेंस में ह्यूमन पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी का रेफरेंस है तो उससे पहले द आएगा, जैसा कि हमने इसमें एग्जांपल में देखा था दैट द आईज आर द मोस्ट डेलिकेट पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी, और द अदर एग्जांपल वाज हेड, द हेड इज़ द टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. देन द रेफरेंस इज टू पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स मैंने आपको बताया माई, आर, हिज, हर, देयर, ये वंस भी हो सकता है. सो इस केस के अंदर हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द नहीं लगाएंगे. उसकी वजह ये है कि डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द जहाँ पे आना होता है उस जगह पे पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव आ जाता है. और तीसरा है रेफरेंस टू डिजीज़. अगर हम किसी डिजीज़ के लिए रेफ़र कर रहे हैं तो उस सेंस में ये रहेगा कि आप उससे पहले डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल सी हैज़ बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम द ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. So thank you viewers for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly share it, and the upcoming videos would be on grammar as well as on other aspects of English communication. So I request you to stay tuned into TAT. Thank you, and please don't forget to share the video. Thank you so much.